Now that the drippings from the turkey have started to heat up, we need to add a little bit of thickener. For that, we're going to add a little bit of flour, no more than a tablespoon, and we're just going to bring. Now that our turkey drippings have started to heat up on the stovetop, we're going to add some thickener. What we're going to do is add a little bit of flour, no more than a tablespoon total, depending on the amount of fluid that you got from the turkey. I'm just going to sprinkle it in a little bit faster than that. There we go. Just starting a little bit at a time, because you really want to get the flour mixed in well so you don't have any lumps. And you'll notice that I'm using a special type of whisk. This is a flat whisk, and it allows me to really mix it up quite well, but without introducing any air or splattering. If you had a regular whip that was round, a balloon whip, then you wouldn't be able to really stir it like this. You can see that flour has been absorbed. You're going to put a little bit more in. There we go. Basically, we're going to keep adding flour and stirring a little bit at a time until we can get the consistency of gravy that we want.